Hi, it's Lynette here, and thank you for joining me. So I've repositioned myself here about 20 times. We're currently in the middle of clearing out. I've already been to the tip, but I'm doing more clearing out, particularly in this bedroom. So I've just kind of tried to shove everything out the way that was on the sofa so I could come in and film. It's lunchtime and the weather is horrible. I don't know what your weather's been like, but I was off for 2 weeks and every day it was forecast rain, but most days we were kind of lucky that it was either only a short sharp shower, or you know, if it rained, it didn't rain for very long at all. So I was quite lucky with the weather, although initially I was a bit depressed because I thought, oh, you can't go anywhere, so you picked 2 weeks off. And my husband had to move his leave, which had been the 2 weeks prior, which had been absolutely gorgeous. But saying that, we got lots done in the garden, all the fences painted, so we would have done that on holiday. So it meant that this holiday we could finish things off and do some nicer things as well, and just generally not kind of have to worry about putting all the hard work into the garden. So it worked out okay in the end. But since like Friday, I think, it's rained non-stop, which is a good thing because I've seen a few people post that the Water Leith, which is quite a big river, I don't know what I'm sure it's a river that runs through Edinburgh, was really, really low. The levels were low and the small showers that we were having weren't doing anything. So the fact that it's rained constantly for 3 days should hopefully get those water levels back up. But it's not something we usually suffer with in Edinburgh, is low water levels. Or Scotland, because we do get a lot of rain. However, I am a wee bit worried about all the brand new plants that I've planted and how they're kind of going to get on. I know plants are outside and they're used to the rain, but we've got this really horrible soil. It dries like concrete and it's like rock when you're trying to hit into it. But when we've tried to kind of break it up, it just goes mushy. So it also holds a lot of water. So this is when I'll find out actually which plants can cope with a lot of water and which will die. And somebody once said to me I should have just kind of done a wee bit of research on that, but I'm brand new to gardening. So anyway, why am I here today? I'm prattling on. I am really sorry. I'm here today to bring you the brand new Feelunique beauty box. Now, what's brand new about it? Well, if I said to you, you got 5 really good kind of sample sizes, you would say to me, that's Beauty Kit. And you probably would be right, to be honest with you, because Beauty Kit was 5 items per month. You couldn't pick any more than 5 items in any calendar month for $13.95, and that, I think that was maybe with the postage and packaging. I'm sure it was. However, what makes this a wee bit different is that you can actually sign up to a subscription. So you can do as I've done, which you would have done with the Beauty Kit, is just go on when you fancy it in that month period and order your 5 different items. You can still do that. You can still treat it like the Beauty Kit, or you can sign up. So what does sign up? What's the benefit of signing up? So when you buy once, it's $13.95, including postage and packaging, which is good. If you sign up for 3 months, it goes down to £13.50 plus your postage and packaging. When you sign up for 6 months, it's £12.75. So you can see already it's come down by £1.20. And then when we get to 12 months, it's £11.95. So it's £2 cheaper than buying it kind of monthly as you're going along. So that's what makes this different from the Beauty Kit, is that you can sign up to get this monthly. Now, the products in the Beauty Kit are different to those that were in the samples. So the Feelunique samples have always been there for as long as I've been doing YouTube. You picked 5 samples once a month, and you paid for postage and packaging unless you had unlimited postage and packaging. However, you would get that £3.95 back off any products that you've purchased, which was quite good. I never did it though, I don't know why. But where this is good is that, you know, you can save a couple of pounds if you want to do it monthly. So you're going to say, what's the point in getting 5 sample sizes for, you know, £11.95 up to £13.95? Well, they're not just any old sample sizes, and they're not just any old brands. I've seen people, you know, get the samples, and I think mine's come to about £90 for my 5 samples, so it can be as good as that. The samples that I've got, I went on the Feelunique website because every sample you can purchase a full size of, and I took the price per mil from the Feelunique website, so that's how I did it. So I went onto the website and I priced up all my things, and individually it would have been £47.04 for the price per mil, which I think is fantastic. It's over 3 times the value of what I paid for the box, and as you will see, there's some really good brands in there. And what I often find with Feelunique is it's not a Scrabble. Sometimes with some boxes that do things like this, if there's a really good sample that goes on, there's a scramble for it and nobody can get it, or you have to be really quick, or you have to check it. This doesn't seem to be like that anymore. I think it used to be a wee bit like that in the past, that really good samples would drop before it became the beauty kit, and then it was difficult. Now, I used the beauty kit to get my Lumine face. It's not a foundation, but it's similar to a foundation, I can't remember, and for that, for 15 mils, it's £15 if you were to buy it. And I looked up buying it from somewhere like John Lewis, and 30 mils was £30, so I thought, well, I just may as well get it whenever it comes up. So that's how I use this, and I will sign up to the 12 months actually for the £11.95 because I really think it's worth it. Now, you no longer get the little bags that the beauty kit came in, but you get these cotton bags, and they say discover, trial, play, feel unique. Now, a lot of people used to complain about the little plastic bags that came with every beauty kit. You'll be pleased to hear, if that was you, that there is a box that you can tick not to receive this bag. However, I think this bag is really cute, and I think I will order a few of them. I won't get one every month, but I think I'll order a few of them because I think they would be quite nice for little giveaways to fill that bag, or, you know, little treats for people just to fill this bag up with things. So anyway, I'm now 6 minutes in, nearly 7, and I haven't even showed you what I've got. So I've spoke a little bit about it. The little bag's got a drawstring as well, which is really cute, and it's the pink ribbon. So what have I got here? So the first item I'm going to show you is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So up to 16 hours wear, lightweight, temperature control technology. So 15 mils of this. So I really do like this product. I think I've only ever had it in a sample size. But if you could pick up one of these a month, you know, I don't think you would really need to go and buy a full size if you were only using it occasionally. So here it is here, and I found that it lasted me quite a wee while, as long as I wasn't too overzealous. So how much is in that? This is 15 mils, I think. Yep, 15 mils, and this would cost you £6. They also do a travel size on the website, which is 30 mils for £12. So if you were going away and you didn't want to buy the full one, but you needed one bigger than this, so that would be £6, which I thought was great. Now, this Lumine product is really cheap, which I was really surprised for Lumine. So it's the Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery 72-hour hydrogel mask. So this was only £2.10 for 15 mils, which is actually really cheap for a Lumine product. And it reminds me a little bit of the Laneige. You know, the Laneige, is it the Laneige water mask? That's what it reminds me of. It comes with the little seal. So I'm not going to actually open that because I'll probably put that in one of my giveaway boxes. I do the odd secret giveaway here and there. I've started to do that for people who genuinely watch my videos, rather than people who might just pop in for a giveaway and then pop off, because it happens to us all. And the amazing Sussex Sandra actually, she inspired me to start doing it this way, because that's how she does hers. So I'll pop that in one of my giveaway boxes. I've got one coming up soon that I'll be doing. So that's another, it's a mask as well, so a hydrogel mask. It does remind me of the Laneige. Now, do you love Nuxe products? I do, and I usually do pick them up when I get the chance. I love the facial oil, but the thing I love about the facial oil and the Nuxe products is the fragrance. So the floral fragrance to me is absolutely gorgeous. So can you imagine my delight when I saw this on the website? So it is actually a perfume, and it smells just like the moisturiser, or just like the facial oil. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. It's one of my favourite things about the Nuxe. I don't really care too much about the product. It is just the smell. It's a bit like the Elemis Marine I wish they would bring that out in a fragrance, or somebody's going to tell me they already do, but it kind of might not be in my price bracket. So anyway, so this was the Nukes, and you get 15 mils here, which I thought was a really, really good price, and this would cost you £13.50. So it mils per, you know, mils per price per mil. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So this would cost you £13.50. So with this one product alone, you've almost paid for the box. So it's a no-brainer to me, to be honest with you. And there was also Huda. I'm looking down because I wrote the prices on a post-it. My memory is shocking. So the Huda Wifey is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and if you were to buy this, the 5 mils of this would cost you £18, and this is 1.9 mils, which I think is a really, really good size. It's a really good size for your handbag. It's a really good size of lipstick actually, because I find with full-size lipsticks, they hang around for ages and I can get a wee bit bored of them. And liquid lipsticks seem to take an age to use up, so mines tend to go off before they get used up. So this would cost you £6.84 price per mil, which I think is fantastic. Now I'm going to actually check and see. I do have a Huda liquid matte lipstick, and if it's wifey, then I'll pop this in the giveaway as well. So last but not least is my favourite, and this is what bumps up the cost of the total of the items in my box. It is the Laboratory Filorga. It's the Time Filler Night Cream, and this stuff is amazing. I love it. It's so expensive that this little sample, which is 15 mils, is the equivalent of £18.60. If you were to buy 15 mils, it would cost you £18.60. So you can understand why this box, for me, they have all the Filorga products in there, and they're, I think most of them are 15 mils. So you're making, you know, you're able to buy something that is usually outside of my price bracket. Well, it is. To be honest with you, I could afford to buy it, but I couldn't afford to replace it. You know, if that makes any sense. But I can afford to do it this way. So what I'll be doing is, because I've still got a few of these, I won't pop these into my stash. I might actually pop this in the giveaway box, just to kind of let people try it and let me know what they think, and because I'm actually trying to use up my stash and not try and add too much to my stash, I'm happy to do that. But as I say, £18.60, and it's fantastic. Honestly, I'm hooked on it. For me, is it better than my LMS? Yes, definitely. It makes my skin feel amazing, and they've got one that tightens your skin as well, and I don't know how they do it, but it does make your skin feel tight without feeling horrible. So for £13.95, I'm spraffing away. I got this spraffing. That is I don't know if you use that word anywhere else, but in Scotland it means blethering away, talking too much. Oh, you're spraffing. Sometimes it can be followed with a, you know, sometimes it can be used derogatory if you're spraffing a load of nonsense. So anyway, it comes with this little bag, drawstring bag. You the box is actually ideal for me to put my giveaways in. So I might actually start popping them in here. In the boxes, you get to pick 5 items, which are always, I mean, the brands there are amazing, and every time I've checked for the beauty kit, the brands have always been there. It's not that they've just put these brands in to entice people. You can go in kind of month after month and the brands are good. So that's why I'm not afraid to sign up, even if I just pick up all my Filorga every month, my skincare. So yeah, I'll pop those items in my giveaway, apart from the perfume, because that makes it a bit difficult to actually send it anyway. You just have to tick a box, but if it was somebody that won it that was international, then it's a wee bit different. So in the UK, I can send perfume, I can send spray, but I need to let the post office know. So I can pop in nail polish, anything with a spray, perfume, but I need to let them know, and they put a big white sticker on the box that says, you know, there's products in here. If you don't do that, which I did one time, with a lovely YouTuber who I haven't seen for ages. I keep in touch with her on Instagram, but I've not seen her do videos for a while. But there was a product that she really loved, and I popped something else in. Oh, what was it? I can't remember, but it was something that I managed to get on Latest in Beauty, and then I popped something else in the box, which was a spray, and the post office didn't ask me that day, so I didn't think to tell them, and then it got held up at the post office. I got a really snarky letter from the post office saying that, you know, we've had to investigate this, and if you do this again, I don't know what they would do again, but you know, this on this occasion they have delivered it, but they might not in future. So just always be mindful to tell the post office what's in it, if there's anything that shouldn't be in it, because they do pick it up. Believe me, they picked that up, and the person did eventually get the product, but not before I managed to buy it off somebody else. So yeah, I didn't want to let them down. So yeah, what a rigmarole. And the other thing I would say as well is put a return address on it. I've had things that have been sent to me that have gone missing in the post, and because there's no return address on it, it doesn't go back to them either, you know, if there's any issues. So I've had things that I had received from one of these points, you know, where you can have your eBay delivery sent to a supermarket. Well, I was ill and I missed to pick up and it got returned, but because there was no return address, I don't know where it went, so I couldn't track it down. So, you know, I just kind of put paid to that. So anyway, I am spraffing again. It's probably because this is my first day back to work. I've come for my lunch. I've come to film this. I've not spoken to anybody today so far. I've been text chatting one of my friends this morning, and I've got 2 video calls coming up. So yeah, I do kind of like to chat some days, but yeah, first day in the house on my own. Brandon's at work, Steve's at work, and I've not had any video calls, so I've just been kind of bashing on with the hundreds of emails that seem to come in. So anyway, are you going to pick this up? Do you think it's worthwhile? I do. More so at the 12-month cost, and I will sign up for 12 months. And even if there's things, so for me there might be things that I don't like, but there's things that I might think I'll pop that in one of my giveaways. So it's always helpful for me as well to have a source to pick things up for my giveaways. So guys, let me know if you're going to go and have a wee look. I don't have a code for this or anything, I'm not trying to sell it to you, but it's just have a wee look and look at the brands. And there's things now that I will go and purchase in full size, and there's things that I won't. There's things that I will just continue to get from the beauty subscription box. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.